In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACD indicator to your charts in TradingView. Understanding how to effectively utilize trading platforms like TradingView is essential for analyzing price action and making informed decisions, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to add the MACD indicator with ease and efficiency. First, we'll start by heading over to the TradingView platform. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the chart section. This is where you'll conduct most of your technical analysis, and it's the hub for all your charting activities. If you haven't set up an account already, you'll have to sign up, but assuming you have, you'll be taken directly to your charting dashboard. Upon reaching the chart area, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is your gateway to a plethora of technical analysis tools available on TradingView. Simply click on it, and you'll see a menu that allows you to explore various indicators that can be added to your chart for enhanced analysis. Now, in the search field at the top of the indicators menu, type in MACD. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is a popular momentum and trend following indicator that helps traders identify potential buy and sell points based on the convergence or divergence of moving averages. Once you've typed MACD into the search, you should see the indicator listed in the options below. Click on Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This action will automatically add the MACD to the chart below your main price chart. You'll see a new pane appear with the MACD histogram, signal line, and MACD line, providing you with insights into the momentum and trend direction. Finally, after adding the MACD to your chart, you'll want to exit the indicators menu. There's a close button, often an X, located in the top right corner of the indicators menu that will return your focus entirely to the chart with the newly added MACD. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the MACD indicator to your TradingView chart. Remember, the MACD is a powerful tool for analyzing market trends and identifying potential trading opportunities. So take your time to explore its signals and consider how it fits into your overall trading strategy. Whether you're monitoring potential price reversals or confirming trend strength, the MACD can be a valuable component of your toolkit. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with the MACD on your charts to get comfortable with its readings. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.